Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decortalk, and today video is all about the different amazing and gorgeous videos you like, more fantastic ideas. And this video is promising for more different designs. For this video is amazing wall mounted wall. Amazing wall mounted walls are amazing and perfectly ideas. This is so gorgeous design I have shared with all fantastic and different design, different amazing wall mounted designs. I have shared all these ideas, all these videos, and I have shared more elegant ideas. Really more fantastic ideas with more elegant videos. I hope you found this early designs, early ideas and amazing videos, and amazing wall mounted designs like different patterns, different styles, and amazing videos, amazing ideas. Totally designs were shared, totally ideas and your choice, and different amazing styles, gorgeous videos and amazing ideas, amazing perfectly designs. These amazing different ideas. So we'll be back in this channel, and I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for getting more attractive, more stunning and fabulous design, fabulous ideas and amazing perfectly ideas. This is so amazing ideas. Keep watching us videos and stay connected with my channel, and may Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home and evidence, and you continue to enjoy my video like this like this fantastic design. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. And waiting for his comments. Khuda Hafiz. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Decortalk.